dan ke present perfect. Jadinya you,
Present perfect.
ya,
You apa tadi itu?
you are a student menjadi
You have been a student.
oke. Kemudian possessive interrogatif
Have you been a student?
negatif.
You have not been a student.
Negatif atau or
Or
You.
you haven't been a student. Have you not been a student? Or haven't you
haven't you
been
been
a student?
they lagi they
They have been a student.
ya
Have they been a student?
ya
They have not been a student. Or they haven't been a student. Have they
not
been
been
a student? Or haven't they been a student?
oke we
We have been a student. Have we been a student?
ya
We have not been a student. Or we haven't been a student.
been
We haven't been a student. Have been
have siapa
have we been
have we not
have we not been a student? Or haven't we been a student?
Chris
Chris have been
has kalau satu orang Chris has been
a student.
Hmm.
Has Chris been a student? Chris has not been a student. Has
or
Chris hasn't been a student.
oke
Has Chris not been a student? Or hasn't Chris been a student?
oke he
He has been a student. Has he been a student?
he
He has not
been
been a student. Or he hasn't been a student.
has
Has
he
he not been a student? Or hasn't he been a student?
ya Fatima
Fatima has been
Fatima sama aja dengan Chris has juga
Fatima has been a student. Has Fatima been a student? Fatima has not been a student. Or Fatima hasn't been a student. Hasn't Fatima Has Fatima been
has Fatima not
Has Fatima not
been
a student?
or
Hasn't Fatima been a student?
she
She has been a student. Has she been a student?
binnya bukan
Been
be
a student.
ulangi has she been
Has she been
a student
a student? Apa tadi?
she
She have not.
kenapa nah have
She has not been a student. Or she hasn't been a student.
has she
not been a student?
or
Or
hasn't
hasn't she been a student?
a cat lagi sama aja has satu ekor
Cat.
a cat
A cat
Ah.
have
a cat
a cat have been
kenapa nah have karena satu has
cat
itu
has been a
student
student.
Nggak masalah.
A cat been student.
A student
A cat
A cat
A cat has not been a student.
or
A cat hasn't been a student.
lanjut.
Have
Has a cat
has a cat
not
been
have been
a cat
has a cat not
has a
Okay.
cat not
have been has a cat not been
is a cat not
has a cat
has a cat
not been a student or hasn't
a cat been a student.